I was recently gifted this Jones Family CS sewing machine. Jones was founded in 1860 and built sewing machines at their Guidebridge factory near Manchester until 1968, when Brother took over Jones and made Manchester the home of Brother UK. Brother still operates from this site. The CS is a vibrating shuttle machine made from 1893 until the 1930s, with few major changes. In 1900, Jones adopted the Singer-style bobbin winder. The CS, which stands for cylinder shuttle, uses the same bobbin as the Singer 27 and 28, but with a hole at one end for the locating pin, which is built into the bobbin winder. Winding the bobbin is the same as on a Singer vibrating shuttle machine. Incidentally, the bobbin winder tyre on this machine was perished, and the larger size tyres are difficult to source. I simply sat a smaller tyre in boiling water for 5 minutes to make it more supple and stretched it over the wheel. One Singer standard that Jones did not adopt was the 15x1 needle. Jones needles had a round shank with no flat side and were a slightly different length. These needles were phased out several decades ago. 1-8x1 needles, while not as easy to find, are a good alternative. The long groove on the needle faces to the left, and it's threaded from left to right. Having no flat side on the needle means care should be taken to align the needle correctly in the machine. Unlike Singer, Jones were happy to rebrand their machines for anyone who ordered over 100 units. They made the CS badged as CWS and Federation for the co-op. It's not uncommon to find the CS rebranded as Bradbury, Empress, Harris and many more. This one proudly boasts as supplied to Her Majesty Queen Alexandra, which dates it as being produced between 1901 and 1925. Looking at the serial number, this one dates to around 1916. Over the years, there were many highly ornamental decal sets supplied to the CS. The Jones Family CS has simple yet robust engineering and still produces a great stitch. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of all my future uploads. Thanks for watching.